Welcome back to the front-end web dev series HTML in 90 seconds with Vitus DK. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create content and design the structure of web pages. It uses elements to define parts of this page, and they could have attributes written in tags and around the content. HTML has a hierarchical structure, starting with DOCTYPE, a root element which encloses the head element and the body element. The head element contains information about the page, also known as metadata, while the body contains the actual visible content and can be grouped into header, main, and footer elements. There are over 100 HTML elements. Common ones include the root, meta, section elements, as well as headings. Text content could be in blocks covering the entire page width, like quotes and lists, or inline spanning just part of the page width, like links, semantic elements, and annotations. More elements like images, multimedia, tables, and forms make the page pop out. Over 20 elements have been discontinued and should be replaced from all projects. In a nutshell, HTML is written in text documents with HTML extensions. The elements have tags with attributes within them, and useful resources include validators and extensions in code editors. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more